Jeffrey Smith, yeah, the owner, the chef of Spiritz of Montego Bay. We are at Rosal Boulevard, Lot 11. The history behind Spiritz is to create a difference in the food industry. And what I mean by that is the way about entertainment, food. Yeah, you have to be unique. We have a wide range of food in Jamaica, but we're not lifting the bar. And that is what Spiritz is about when you speak about Spiritz. Been in business now going 3 years, so we did 2 years of the pandemic, and you know what happened through the pandemic. You know, we kept our door open within the guideline of the Prime Minister. And yes, I always enjoy food. Food is one of my major passion. So much is I always use that as my pastime, and I normally just cook for people and give it to them, and they do enjoy it because I like to do in different type of food, and that's one of the things that drives me also. And when you go around Jamaica, you see where we're not lifting the bar where food is concerned. You know, it's the same thing everywhere you go. There's nothing to it, there's no pride to it, there's no happiness to it. You know, and I choose now to get into the business and to showcase a difference. The bar is, oh, we have one of the best bar in Montego Bay. We always get that. So it's not me, a lot of people say it because I like when people tells us, yeah, and they come in and say, you have one of the best bar in Montego Bay. And the dynamic of spirits that we have here, from tequila, scotch, brandy, whiskey, we even down to wines we have here at Spiritz. My mom is a Pentecostal. She always getting in spirits, yeah. That's one. And because I enjoy spirits, the different type of alcohol, yeah. And I just blend that both, and I call it Spiritz with a Z. We have the amenities such as we have a beach, we have the pool. And if you want to do party, we have a section for that also. And we also have the view of the ocean. Yes, the pool is open for use now. So once you come and dine, enjoy, you can take your family because we're big on family at Spiritz. Very, very big on it. So, because we realize that you find a lot of parents who out there want to take their children somewhere. You don't have that in Montego Bay. So Spiritz give you that access and that experience.